Guys, this is your VJ Rocky and you know what? ఈ రోజు బియాండ్ లైఫ్ ఫౌండేషన్ ఒక కొత్త కార్యక్రమం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది. అది ఏంటిదంటే గ్రాసరీ కిట్స్ టు ట్రాన్స్జెండర్స్. మనకి సూరారం ఏరియాలో ఉన్న ట్రాన్స్జెండర్స్ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ గ్రాసరీ కిట్స్ అండ్ విత్ మీ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఆల్ ద బియాండ్ లైఫ్ ఫౌండేషన్ కోర్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో విత్ మీ సుధాజన్ గారు ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ సుధాజీ.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, Sudhaji. So, Sudhaji, today's event, we are giving grocery kits to transgenders. How, I want to know few more things about how important it is to even recognize them. And in this Corona times, the essential goods and all have been really difficult for them.
Very well.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Rocky. But really, it's a good one that how important. I tell you one thing: every person is a human being, whoever in the earth. खाने के लिए तो
Yes, exactly.
वहाँ पे that male, female, transgender, nothing is there when there is a hunger. So Beyond Life Foundation, and you know that founder, Singh sir, he's always come up with some unique idea, and this is one of them. That कि transgender को एक market में ये दिखाना कि they are also equal as a male or female. Today we are distributing the grocery, and I love to say this thing that this is donated by Shipra Gandhi, and her association is spreading happiness. Thank you so much, Shipra ji, for this. And really, I tell you one thing more, Rocky, is that in Hindi we used to say, right, कि रूप रंग बाद में है, हुनर पहले. The same thing. आज भी हमारे यहाँ पे any auspicious, whether it's a baby born, गृह प्रवेश, or any new shop or anything, first we need them for the blessing, because they are directly connected to the God, and their one single word that खुश रहो. I tell you, it make your day, it make your life, because दिल से उनके पास से हमें दुआएं मिलती हैं. तो क्यों why we always say that male, female and then transgender? No. It's a human being, male, female, transgender, like that. So thank you so much Beyond Life Foundation to make me associate with this kind of thing. And Eric Nursing sir, I tell you one thing, you always come with some unique idea and you look so simple, but I think Chacha Chaudhary ka brain hota hai na. So this is the thing. And guys, I want to say one more thing from my side as a public figure, is that transgender are equal like you and me. उनके दुआओं के बिना जब हमारा गृह प्रवेश नहीं हो सकता, माँ के आशीर्वाद के बिना जब हमारे घर में एक बेबी बड़ा नहीं हो सकता, और पिता के घर से बाहर रखे कदम एक बच्चा अगर पढ़ लिख नहीं सकता, तो फिर तीनों में बराबरी ही तो हुई ना. Check it that.
Yes. Thank you so much, Shipra Gandhi ji, for supporting our initiative from Beyond Life Foundation for today's grocery kits to transgenders. Thank you so much.